Route 8A, Pauline, from the Blake Transit Center. This is a loop run, therefore your fare box should always remain on inbound. From the stand at Blake Transit Center Mall, pull out, make a right turn on 5th Avenue. At the light is East Williams, we're going to make a right turn. Making our right onto William. We're going to make a left at the second light. The first light is 4th Avenue. We're going to go straight through. At the stoplight is Main. We're going to be making a left turn. Making our left onto South Main. Crossing Packard. Stop approaching. Make certain that you exercise proper care crossing railroad tracks. Coming up at the traffic light, Madison. We're going to continue straight through. Also, let's bear in mind all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Whenever there is a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way. Continuing on South Main across Madison. Stop approaching. We will also share a piece of South Main Street with the route number 16 as well as the 7 route. And the 15 from the Blake to Madison. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Pauline. We want to make a right turn. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Almendinger Park is on the left side. We're approaching South 7th Street. This is a turning point. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. approaching. Stop approaching. There is a stop approaching. At the traffic light, West Stadium. We want to continue straight through. Continuing across West Stadium, there's a stop approaching on the utility pole. Stop approaching. Blue line shelter. Highly residential area over here. Popular destinations. Drop off and pick up. Stop approaching. Stops approaching at the traffic light South Maple Road. South Maple and Pauline is a time point. We're going to make a right turn here at South Maple. Stop approaching. Park Place and Hillcrest Apartments on the right side. Popular destination. Stop approaching. A little hidden by the trees, but you'll see the blue line shelter. Stop approaching. The Discovery Center is on the right side. Very popular daycare and activity center for youngsters. At the traffic light will be Liberty Street. Crossing Liberty Street. Stop approaching immediately after the intersection. Kroger to the left. Stop approaching is a very popular stop for the use of the Kroger shopping center and the surrounding stores. There's a fork in the road ahead at the traffic light, which is Stadium. We want to make a right turn onto West Stadium. Continuing on Stadium, stop approaching. Near the Cottage Inn Pizza and the Burger King, there is a stop. We're approaching West Liberty Street, which is a time point. We're going to continue with the 8A We're going to pick up on a separate video from this point to start the 8B. For it is here you will make your left turn. You will continue regular route till you get to here. The variation is that you're going to make a left here at West Liberty. So we'll pick that up on a separate video starting here at West Liberty and Stadium. Continuing across West Liberty. There is a stop approaching. There is a stop approaching. Shelter on the right. Crossing Federal. There is a stop approaching. After you services the stop just beyond Federal, you want to get over in your left lane. That is the last stop you're going to service on Stadium. At the traffic light is Pauline. We'll make a left turn. We're going to retrace some of the steps that we did at the first part of the run. Making our left onto Pauline. The stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're approaching 7th Street. This is a time point. Pauline 7th. Stop approaching here at Almendinger Park. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is South Main. We want to make a left turn. Making our left turn on the South Main. There's a stop approaching. Approaching Hill Street. Stop approaching. Crossing Madison Street. Stop approaching. Exercise proper care at the tracks. We're approaching Packard at the stoplight. Stop approaching. That is the last stop before you reach the Blake Transit Center. Please make certain to check your run sheet to see what you are properly through routed with. Approaching William Street, we're going to make a right turn. At the traffic light, it's 4th Ave. We're going to make a left, and we will be entering into the Blake Transit Center area. We can left onto Williams. This concludes the number 8 Pauline A here at the Blake Transit Center.